Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make the classic creamy mashed potatoes. All you need is 25 minutes and a few simple ingredients to get this fluffy, delicious side that everybody loves. And you can't have a holiday meal without mashed potatoes, can you? Now everything is super easy, so let's make this recipe! Peel the potatoes and chop them into big chunks. Place the chunks to a large soup pot and cover with cold water. Bring to a boil over high heat. Once bubbling, reduce the heat to a low and cover with a lid. Cook for 20-25 minutes or until super tender. Check the potatoes for doneness by inserting a knife into the middle of a large chunk. Once they are done, carefully drain all the water. Using a hand mixer or a potato masher, lightly mash the potatoes. Add in the warm milk, butter and cream cheese. Season with salt and white pepper to your taste. Whisk or continue to use the potato masher for a bit more, until the potatoes are fluffy. Sprinkle with some freshly chopped parsley and enjoy while it's hot. Just as fluffy as I am. But seriously now, it tastes just like a fluffy buttery cloud. If you like potatoes, then you'll love this super easy recipe. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on Blondelish.com. And if you're looking for some holiday recipes, then you should check out my cookbook, I Heart Cheese. You'll find the recipe for mashed potatoes with bacon and blue cheese. That's absolutely fantastic. This dish elevates the classic mashed potatoes into something very special. I leave you the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!